Hi everyone, Frederick here, Simple System Trading. Today's video is about a demonstration on a new study called Value at Price study. We are on a 5-minute chart for the ES. It's in replay since market is closed, so I need to demo this for you. The original question I got is, can you show the countdown timer on a different location on your chart, like on the right edge or in the label column? And this study will help you, allow you to do that. And it can do a little bit more as well. As you can see, I have the dome on the chart visible. That's chart dome on. And I've customized it to show the label column. That's something you can use as well. The label column can be used to show subgraph value. And with this study, you can actually show any study subgraph at a reference price, and I will keep updating that. So let's start with that countdown timer. This is the original countdown timer right here. It's got the default settings and it's visible. Just for reference, I added a second one, which I changed the subgraph to not draw, to ignore, and I used the display value only to yes. This will fill the subgraph with a value of the number of seconds that's left in that bar. And that number of seconds we will use to display. So you see that this is counting down, and that's been done by this study. So I'll remove these studies right now and I will demo them for you. So you add the custom study. It's called the Value at Price study, and you will need to reference the subgraph you wanna show. In this case, we're gonna show that countdown timer, and we set the display time label to yes. These are the defaults on location of that different label and value, and we can have a look at that. Go to the subgraphs tab here. You can change the color of that visual, and the name label and the value label are both checked. The name label is right here in the label column, and the value label is right here on the right edge. So let's say we want to see that time formatted name. So we're gonna keep that on and click OK. And this one is now visual as the subgraph value referenced at the last price value. If you want, with this new study, you can also set an offset. So this one will follow the last price. You see it does that nicely, but you could also use that study to apply a little offset. So let's say we want to show of those medium ask volume here, that value. We want to show that based on the last price as well, but we want to have it 2 ticks below the last price. So we can set that to yes, and it will show right on the right edge here. We can change that. It can go to the right, to the left even. It can go into the right value scale if you want to. All up to you. This won't be really useful, but for some values it might be. In this case, you might want to have it on the right edge. If you, for instance, would have a moving average for something visible there, you could grab that moving average as your here we go, as your reference value. So you could say, well, the reference value will be that moving average 2 ticks below, and I'm going to push that value right there 2 ticks below the moving average. So there's lots of opportunity and possibilities with this study, placing any subgraph value at any price level of the referenced price level. So another thing, if you have a daily subgraph level here at a fixed price, you could also line up any other study value based on that. So I hope you see the flexibility of this study. It's available right now in my shop on my website. Grab a trial, have a look, let me know if you like it, and let others know if you like it. And I'll be back with new stuff shortly. Thanks for your attention and have a good one. Bye-bye.